Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your US Bank virtual card. First thing I want you to do is just launch up the US Bank app. Then I want you to come here to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines to access the menu. From here, click on Manage Cards. And then here I want you to go ahead and select your card to proceed. And then I want you to just go ahead and click on Copy Number. So once you have copied this number for your virtual card, you can go ahead and use it. So we've copied the card number and you'll need to verify identity to go ahead and copy that. So click here on continue, make sure you have that number. And then I want you to go ahead and enter the 6-digit verification code right here and click on continue after that. And once you're done with that, you are able to copy that number and you're able to use that. So as you can see, card number copied to clipboard, and then you're able to use your details on any checkout page for any shopping website or platform. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked, and that is how to use your US Bank virtual card.